I'm Amanda Quartey and I'm the illustrator for the World Book Day book called The Magic Balloon, which is written by Carl Anka. It's about a group of children on a really exciting and brilliant adventure. I've been illustrating for about 4 years now, and some of those books include Small's Big Dream, which is about a little girl, Small here, who's told that she can't dream big, but we find out that's not entirely true. Also another book called Where Did Poppy Go, which is about a little boy who is dealing with the grief and the loss of his grandfather and manages his grief with his father. My top tip for enjoying reading a book is finding a quiet space anywhere that you feel the most at peace, which really helps me personally take in the words of what I'm reading and to really immerse myself in the world of the book. This might sound cliche in terms of my favourite reading space, but I love reading before bedtime, which is when I have the most me time during the day, and I just find it very relaxing. And I usually have a cup of tea, hot tea by my bedside, which also helps me to relax, so I definitely enjoy reading just before bed. In the past, I've been a big fan of fantasy books such as the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling and Interview with a Vampire by Anne Rice. But what I'd like to read more this year are more classic YA books like Jacqueline Wilson, The Dustbin Baby and The Bed and Breakfast Star, as it reminds me of my youth and how much I enjoyed reading. As the illustrator of Small's Big Dream, which I have here, which is a book about a little girl who dares to dream big, I would heavily recommend to read next, the next in the series, which is Whirly Twirly Me, which is the second book in the series, and this is about a little girl who, as you can see here, is managing her emotions with her parents, with her teachers, etc. And it's a wonderful book.